Find deleted emails in Gmail and you can recover after 30 days. So I will show you this video. So before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, this is my Gmail account. So if I delete this email, so I will delete this email. Okay. If I delete this, so it will be deleted and it will be go to the trash, and your deleted email will go to the trash and keep the and there will be for 30 days. So when you delete anything, you have to first go and check the trash. Go here and go to the more and click on trash. You will find your deleted emails for uh, uh, okay. So this message will be here for 30 days. So if you find emails here, you can just select it and you can move to inbox. Okay, just click on move to and select the inbox, so it will be move to inbox again. So if you still don't find your email in the trash, so you can search here. Maybe it will be accidentally moved to the another folder and where. So you can find out from email id. So if you receive emails from particular email id, so you can type email id here. So you will see all emails from particular email id, or maybe you can find out by searching the subject line. Okay, so I just search LinkedIn, so I will see the all emails which include LinkedIn name. So that's how you can find. Still you don't find your email, so there is a large option you can use. Go to the Google and type here Gmail recovery tools. So when Gmail recovery tools will be come up, the first link you have to click on it. So this is your Gmail recovery tools, and you have to select the email id, and you have to check email id whether same email id you want to check, or you can switch email id from here. Okay, so now this email id, and it will be try to recover email that we deleted within 30 days. Okay, so you can try it. Just click on continue. Recovery of the for your missing email permitted. Okay, so there is a no any email for me, but okay, so there is a final process, there is a final step you can use or follow. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.